Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a bot that I developed for lead generation from LinkedIn. Okay, this is the phase one where we will use google.com to get the LinkedIn profile URLs with their emails. Okay, so we have to insert our targeted keywords here, the locations here, and the email domains here. Okay, uh, at this time bot is running and it is inserting the Google string here. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's done. Now you can see here bot is getting the emails with their LinkedIn profile URLs. Okay, we are searching basically for chief financial officers. Okay, this is the phase one, and I think it's enough for this phase one. Let me show you the other bot that will scrap the remaining data for these profiles. Okay, let me quit this bot. And one more thing, using this bot we can face captcha sometimes. In that case our bot will give you the access to solve the captcha. Okay, let me quit this bot and show you the second part of this lead generation process. Yes, there is the other bot that is connected with this bot database. Okay, we will use this bot. Okay, this bot will use the URLs and the emails that we scrapped from google.com to scrap all these data, like their full name, first name, last name, their current position, their city, their country, their email that we already have, their company, and their LinkedIn profile URL. We can also customize this bot. We can add more data like experience, their languages, study, education. We can add more things in this bot to get more data. And these are the precise emails and active emails. You can see here, email should be here. Yeah, see, email is here. That is this one. No, yes, here is it. So at the end we can export data. Any format that we want to export it, and we will have the final data in this format. Okay, let me know if you want to get these bots, or if you want any customization, or if you want me to build your own customized bot for any targeted website. Okay, thanks, take care, please, good day.